If you're on LPG or oil and you're off grid, I would definitely consider fitting a heat pump. Even better if you've got solar and batteries, because you really maximise your savings.
As you may or may not know, the cost to replace an oil boiler is huge. Whereas with the government grant that's now £9,000, we've got a customer paying £200 for a heat pump.
I've got 16 panels, which is 510 watt each. Then I've got another 10 more in the front with another battery. That means I've got about 32 kilowatts of batteries now. Last month I got paid £120 back from Octopus. The month before that I got £70 back. And right now, if they give me my bill now, they'll be paying me another £100 back. Now I don't have to worry about the bill going up, which is what made me smile every month when I get a bill from Octopus and they pay me.
A lot of it is coming down to install cost as well, because if you have an oil combi boiler and you need it replaced, you could be paying, say, £7.5 average install cost.
We spent £1,830 in LPG, and that was at 47p a litre. At the beginning of 2025, my contract went to 62p a litre. And of course, I dread to think what it is now.
When you put various technologies in a house and they can work together consistently, then you can actually get a very good return on investment.
Going to a customer and saying, no, you will get an efficiency guarantee out of this heat pump. What? What's that? Well, we guarantee that it'll work at the efficiency you signed the agreement for. And if not, then anything else will be sorted to make it work at that.
I'm pretty sure diesel fuel, the fumes are carcinogenic. So, you know, do you want that in your house? I started off doing oil as an apprentice, and every house with an oil boiler inside it stunk of oil. It's good to get away from that.
The bottom line is you'll be saving money on bills, on install costs, everything, you know, and that's what it all comes down to in this world.
When things go south in other countries and that affects the fuel prices, we get an uptick in people being interested for obvious reasons, because they feel vulnerable to energy price changes.
What's happened with America and stuff, and the oil prices are through the roof.
I hate oil in myself, stinks, runs out. You have to get it booked in, noisy.
Being on a heat pump now, he's more energy independent. He's not susceptible to the rising prices of oil. That they could rise up or down, but they could, with what's going on in the world at the moment, obviously things have got very expensive very quickly.
Basically, in the winter, we're going through about 2 bottles of gas in about 2 weeks. And they're 86 quid a bottle, so do the maths. It's costing me a fortune.